And voila, these cute little dime earbuds right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these guys right here, the Skullcandy Dime True Wireless Earbuds. Now, I think Skullcandy Dime, that is definitely a cute name because the purpose of these truly wireless earbuds is to be smaller than the other ones that Skullcandy offers. And not only are these headphones small, but they are also small in price. I actually picked these up for under $25, which is just insane. So I'm definitely excited to see if they're any good. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the Skullcandy Dimes box. As you can see, it says Mini and Mighty. It's got Skullcandy logo, it says Dime in these fancy lettering, and we've also got a picture of the headphones right here. It also says it's got 12 hours of total battery. It's got a secure noise isolating fit apparently, and it's also IPX4 water resistant, which is definitely great, so then you can use it at the gym. That's good to see. Skullcandy all over the side. On the back, we've got more information as well, blah, 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 as well as another picture. And over here, it says 100% recyclable packaging. Anyway, let's just open this up and oops, rip the box right there. Whatever, we can just pop it open and we can slide these out. Okay, and then it is empty in here and it says charge earbuds and case before using. Uh-oh, are these not coming already charged? Come on, I want to use them right now. So let's see, we can pull them out of this little plastic right here. It says Dime once again right there. And we can pop this open down here and it looks like we've got, what are these? Some interchangeable ear tips? Yes, sirree. And we've also got right here a very tiny charging cable. It looks like it is micro USB to regular USB. So yes, unfortunately, these don't charge with USB-C wherever the charging, oh, there it is. The charging port, unfortunately, that's micro USB. But I mean, what do you expect for about $25? I still would have rather seen USB-C though. That would have been a nice touch. And let's see, also in here, we've got some paperwork. Oh man, this is a bunch of paperwork. Let's just go ahead and open this up and voila, these cute little dime earbuds right here. So we can pull them out and just get a closer look at them right here. We can pull this little plastic off of it right here on the little charging connector, and same thing on the other one. So as you can see, the design of these headphones, they're almost like baby AirPods or AirPods Pro, and also in this black color right here, but they also come in a selection of other colors. I just got the black ones right here, and as you can see, they got Skullcandy logo right there on the sort of stick that comes out of it right here. Got the ear tip over here with a really tiny Skullcandy logo right there. And we've got the charging connectors over here, and yeah, pretty simple design. We've also got a very, very tiny L right there, so you know which one goes in which ear. Now, anyway, let's just get these guys connected to my iPhone. And I mean, it looks like the instructions were right. Nothing is happening with these guys when I pull up Bluetooth settings in my iPhone right here. So I think I'm gonna plug them in and try to charge these guys a little, then we can get them connected. So now fast forward, that was annoying, but I finally juiced these guys up a bit. So here they are. As you can see now, they got red lights shining on them right there in the carrying case. And that is good. Now we are in the Bluetooth settings on my iPhone. We can pop these guys out, and let's put the right one in my right ear right there, and then we can put the left one, if it comes out, let's see, into my left ear right here. And then I see the Dime right here in the Bluetooth settings. I just tapped on it and boom, now it's all connected. So now I'm gonna take some time to listen to some music on these headphones and I'll be back to tell you guys what I think. Oh boy, now fast forward folks, I've just listened to a bunch of different songs on these Skullcandy Dime truly wireless earbuds right here. And I will say they actually sound really surprisingly good, especially given that price. I mean, $25, it's insane. The music sounds clear, and it is also quite bass heavy, which I mean, I enjoy. I think it sounds actually good on these headphones, which is just crazy. Like, I've been having a pretty fun jam session right here, just listening to music on these, which just for this price is crazy how good it sounds. So I guess what's the catch, guys, right? Because these are $25 and they sound good. So I guess the catch is they don't really have any other features besides sounding good because, for example, they don't have playback controls or buttons on the actual earbuds themselves, which some people might say is a good thing because when you go to press buttons on in-ear earbuds like this, it sometimes pushes them deeper into your ear and can be uncomfortable. So it's what it is. For $25, you really can't complain. Also, they do charge, like I said earlier, with micro USB. They don't charge wirelessly, but $25. Another thing, they don't have any active noise cancellation, but again, $25, so is what it is. But I mean, where it really counts at this price point, they work wirelessly, they sound good, and also they are IPX4 water resistant. I think these headphones would be perfect for going to the gym because with a price that cheap, I mean, you lose them, they fall out of your ear, you step on them, so what? Just buy another pair. Because literally for $25, I mean, my go-to headphones, the AirPods Max right here, these are $550. That means you can buy 22 Skullcandy Dimes for the price of one AirPods Max, which is just very, very crazy. I'm in love with that price right there. So yeah, anyway, enough talking about how these headphones sound. Let me demonstrate me listening to some music on these by singing along to a song on them. Fun little Warenotice tradition right there. So we're gonna be singing along to Drip Too Hard by Lil Baby and Gunna. Here we go. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gonna mess around and drown off this wave. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, we get paid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made. And oh boy, there that was, guys. Just trying to have a little fun. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that impromptu performance right there. So another thing too about the Skullcandy Dime right here, I did actually change to the largest size ear tips, the interchangeable ones that came in the box as well. This earbud feels like it's definitely pretty secure in there. This earbud still feels maybe a bit loose, but you know, is what it is for that price point. And I mean, yeah, this Skullcandy Dime earbud. So another thing I will say about these is on the topic of the carrying case right here, I will say it is definitely cool how compact and small it is, just like the earbuds themselves. And another thing too, it's sort of got this built-in keychain loop over here on the end, so you can automatically attach it to your keychain. That sounds pretty cool to me. If you can just keep your earbuds right there, so then you automatically bring them wherever you go. If you want to bring these around all the time with you and make sure you don't forget them, so that's pretty cool. You could also, I guess, put an air tag on them as well if you have an air tag on a keychain if you want to make sure you don't lose them. So that's definitely pretty handy. Obviously, at a price point of $25, this carrying case does feel a little cheap to it, especially this top part here, and it can be a bit hard to get open sometimes once you click it shut, but can't really complain for 25 bucks. And anyway, guys, with that, that'll really be all for this Warenotice video about the Skullcandy Dime truly wireless earbuds. If you guys have them for yourself, or if you've just been watching a lot of reviews about them, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these earbuds. Do you think the price is crazy? If you've heard them yourselves, do you think they sound good as well? And yeah, also if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.